Hi friends, I am back with a short Excel tip for you. In daily office life, we use Excel filters regularly, but selecting tiny filters is sometimes annoying. Let's find out another cool way of performing same task. Let's go to my computer screen. We will use the same data set which we have used for DSUM. Select your entire data set and press Ctrl and T together. Now your data is converted into a table. Once again, if you click into your table, you will be able to see a menu. Select Insert Slicers. Choose slicers of your choice. Arrange them and size them. Now filter your table like a pivot table with slicers. If you like the tip, then please subscribe my channel so that you can receive notification for all new tips.